Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are present: an Azure subscription, Azure CLI, and Docker. First, create a resource group. This organizes resources and sets location. Once done, create an Azure Container Registry instance with a SKU that matches your needs. Standard is a common balance of cost and features. You do this now so your registry endpoint and credentials exist for the next steps. Make sure to note the registry login server. You will reference it when tagging and pushing images. Next, you build your container image locally to validate the Docker file and runtime. After a successful build, tag the image using the ACR login server so Azure recognizes the repository path. Once tagged, authenticate with Azure login. This obtains credentials and simplifies subsequent Docker push commands. Push the image and monitor output for layer uploads and manifest writes. This sequence ensures the image is stored in your private registry and ready for deployment pipelines or Kubernetes pulls. Finally, deploy by configuring your compute to pull from ACR. You can use AKS, app service, or other runtimes. Use managed identities or service principals to grant pull permissions securely versus enabling the admin user unless necessary. After deployment, validate image pulls and logs. If something goes wrong, start by confirming Docker login to the registry and using Azure repository show to verify the image exists. Also check firewall or virtual network rules that might block access, and rotate credentials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.